Jim, thanks very much for joining us. A lot of focus on data centers moving forward. What's your sense of that, looking at it from the infrastructure side?
When we think about infrastructure and the key themes for investing, not just this year, but over the upcoming years and decades, I think there's two really powerful themes. One is the energy transition. The second is digital infrastructure, high speed data infrastructure. Clearly, we need it now, and demand for this infrastructure is just going to grow and grow and grow exponentially, not just for home working and communications such as this, but the Internet of Things, connected devices. We're just going to see a huge demand for data. We can invest in the existing infrastructure and the growing infrastructure that facilitates that data, the networks, the pipes, if you like, that sit behind this huge data consumption that we're going to see.
And I suppose, where are you seeing the main opportunities there, Jim, in terms of investment?
We like the telecom towers sector, the communication towers. So stocks like American Tower, these are, the towers and masts that facilitate high-speed mobile data. The operators put their antenna on these towers. As networks become more dense, as data demand grows and grows, you need more antenna, 4G, now clearly 5G as well. And it's difficult to build new assets. There's huge barriers to entry in terms of environmental concerns, etc. So very, very scalable assets that we like to invest in. A lot of them are still owned by the telco companies, but they're gradually selling them off. You saw Vodafone spin off its Vantage Tower business earlier this year. So we like towers. We like fiber infrastructure. A lot of that sits again within the operators. Vodafone is the biggest owner of cable and fiber high-speed infrastructure in continental Europe now. It's not just a mobile phone company anymore. And then clearly data centers as well. We don't have any direct investments at the moment, but certainly the companies we invest in are looking at data centers. And clearly there is an essential part to host the cloud servers, etc., which there is no way in which demand for these servers and this provision doesn't grow and grow and grow over the next years and decades.
Really interesting to catch up, Jim. Thanks very much for joining us.
Thanks, Richard.